Dear students, welcome to our video lesson Conjunctions. In previous videos, we discussed parts of speech, 8 kinds of parts of speech, and also nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives in detail. Now, conjunctions. So, in this video, we are going to learn what are conjunctions, types of conjunctions, and also some are going to do some exercises also. Okay. So, conjunctions are words. They connect sentences, words, phrases, and clauses. So remember, they use it to connect. They use it to connect sentences, words, phrases, and clauses. So read the following sentences. The college is good and the lectures are excellent. And it's an it's a conjunction because it joined two sentences. The college is good, the lectures are excellent. So and is a conjunction. Next, he was ill, therefore he didn't attend the school. Therefore, a conjunction. It you know add corrected two sentences. Therefore, next, Raju and Ramu visited my home. Here two words, Raju and Ramu. It connected two words. So in one two sentences, the conjunctions joined two sentences. They joined two sentences. But in third sentence, it joined two words only. So sometimes it joined two sentences or two words or phrases or clauses. Okay. So independent clause and dependent. It also joined independent and dependent clause also. Okay. So some examples of conjunctions are and, but, are, so, for, neither, nor, neither, nor, or neither, nor, because, since, as, although, therefore, while, though, if, but, otherwise, whether. These are all so, because. These are all conjunctions. So let us see what are subordinating conjunctions. So subordinating conjunctions join. Subordinating conjunction joins independent and dependent clauses. Example for subordinating conjunctions are because, since, as though. Okay. So they are cause and effect. We use them for the purpose, right? Next, coordinating conjunctions. So coordinating conjunctions join words, phrases, and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. So to remember this coordinating conjunctions, these coordinating conjunctions, remember the word fanboys. F stands for, A stands for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for et, S for so. So remember fanboys. They are coordinating conjunctions. It is easy way to remember coordinating conjunctions. What do? They join words, phrases, and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. Okay, right? So for, and, nor, but, or, et, so. So these are all coordinating conjunctions. Okay. Next, correlative conjunctions. So correlative conjunctions are in pair. Those are called correlative conjunctions. Either or, neither nor, both, and, not only but also, whether or. These are all correlative conjunctions, right? So they are used in pairs, neither nor, either or, not only but also. And use of and, when we use and to join similar statements or facts. We can also use also, to, as well as, not only but also for the same purpose. Okay, in the place of and we can also write also, to, as well as, not only but also. Okay, so for example, he is an intelligent and honest boy. And is conjunction here. Okay, we can write is not only intelligent but also honest. You can use this conjunction also. Okay, he is intelligent as well as honest. Okay, we can write this sentence like this also. Right, he got ready and left for office. Okay, so but, use of but. So here we use but to state a contrast. When we use but to state a contrast between two statements or facts. Contrast, opposite between two statements or facts. Okay, so we use sometimes to express opposition also. So for example, he is poor but honest. Okay, contrast, this is contrast. She was invited to the party but didn't attend it. Invited but didn't attend. Okay, so we use but to state a contrast between two statements or facts. He is sharp but very careless. Right, he is sharp but very careless. Okay, and also next or, we use or to express a choice between two options. She must or she will die. I think this is a wrong sentence. She must. చిన్ను దారా తప్పు పోయింది.